Literature and journalist Borsing Rongphar honor with Loku Bandhu Lombodor Kaman Huoroni Mati Manu Samanoi Bota Award at Guwahati. Seized liquor worth rupees 60 lakh destroyed in Khatkati, Karbi Anglong on 9th August. Shortage of staff at Moor Poloni Forest Beat account led to burdensome of workloads at the office. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news and details. On 9th August, Mati Manu Samanoi Divas was organized by Assam Lekhia Samaj on the occasion of International Indigenous Day at Guwahati Cotton Alumni Bhavan Auditorium. The celebration of International Indigenous Day at Guwahati Cotton Alumni Bhavan Auditorium was chaired by Padumi Gogoi, President, Assam Lekhika Samaj. Gayatri Barua, IAS retired officer, attended as the chief guest of the event. Prakash Mahanta, senior journalist of Assamia Pratidin, Borsing Rongphar, literature and journalist, Jina Rajkumari, artist, and many notable public figures attended the event. On this occasion, two books, Surbana Puspar Sugandhi and Bikhayogangse Hagrama Lananoy, were released. Literature and journalist Borsing Rongphar was honored with Loku Bandhu Lombodor Kaman Huoroni Mati Manu Samanoy Bota for his book Karbi Anglongor Rajnotik Itihas, Political History of Karbi Anglong by Assam Lekhika Samaj at Guwahati on the auspicious occasion of International Indigenous Day. Borsing Rongphar informed that he is set to release 4 different books within this year, and till date 2 of his books had already been released.
Look at talk Kegiafan, Nili Jakong Silong Lupusi, Nili Matadamlo. Among Nili, Jasemet Paki, Alotu Baklangi Pumatalo, as the Paknike, Pakangelo, non Pagnidola. As the Nili Lamet Kapoche, Ahina, answer the Pangkang Punji Puti, commitment to people.
Jina Rajkumari, artist, while speaking to us, expresses her gratitude for honoring her with Loku Bandhu Lombodor Kaman Huoroni Mati Manu Samanoi Bota.
মই আসলতে বিভিন্ন জাতি জনগোষ্ঠীৰ এই থলুৱা গীতমাত লোকনৃত্য লৈ অসম তথা ভাৰতৰ প্ৰতিনিধি হৈ বিদেশৰ বিভিন্ন ঠাইত অনুষ্ঠান পৰিবেশন কৰি মই যি বহুত গৌৰৱান্বিত হওঁ কাৰণ আমাৰ এই লোককলা সংস্কৃতি আমাৰ আসলতে পৰিচয়।
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Following the legal procedure of destroying seized liquors, as many as 30,000 liquor bottles worth rupees 60 lakh were crushed under a road roller at Tila Bosti Playground, Khatkati, falling under the jurisdiction of Khatkati Police Station, Karbi Anglong on Tuesday. In 2019, illicit liquors brought from Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya were seized in Karbi Anglong with a joint effort made from the Police Department, Excise Department, Administration, and the concerned citizens of Karbi Anglong. As per the Act of AP Excise Act 1968 and AP Prohibition Act 1995, seized liquors were crushed under a road roller at Tila Bosti Playground, Khatkati, falling under the jurisdiction of Khatkati Police Station, Karbi Anglong on Tuesday in presence of the District Administration, Political, Police, Excise Department, and the mass in general. As many as 30,000 of bottles comprising beer, XXX rum and whiskey, 10,000 liters of Indian-made foreign liquor, and 20,000 liters of beer amounting rupees 60 lakh. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, along with his cabinet, MSCs, Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police, Superintendent of Tax, Excise Department, and many officials and staff of concerned department attended the event.
Law and order. একেলগে টিম লগ লাগি একো দেখিনে আমি ধৰা ব্যৱস্থা অকল বটল নহয় মডেল নহয় ড্ৰাগছটো আমি বহুত ধৰিম এই আমাৰ অসম চৰকাৰ মাননীয় চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ ডাঙৰীয়া তেখেতেও কাৰ্বি আংলং এছপি ধন্যবাদ দিছে এই হাইয়েষ্ট ড্ৰাগছ ধৰাটো আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং বৰ্ডাৰ এৰিয়া খটখটি আৰু বিলায়ৰ এৰিয়াৰ পৰা তেখেতে বহুতো ড্ৰাগছত ধৰাইছে ড্ৰাগছ বেপাৰীবিলাক প্ৰায় 150 ক্ৰ'ৰ্ছৰ ওপৰত মূল্যৱানৰ ড্ৰাগছবিলাকত ধৰি আমি তেওঁলোকৰ যিবিলাকৰ ড্ৰাগছটো আমি ডেষ্ট্ৰয় কৰিছোঁ আৰু আনুষ্ঠানিকভাৱে আমাৰ অনাৰেবল চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ ডিপু আহি এইখিনি লাগিছে।
Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. It was informed that Office of the Murpholoni Forest Beat account under Northeastern Silonesian Forest Range, Nilip constituency near Tokolangso, the border region of Karbi Anglong and Golaghat district, is inducted with only 2 employees, which led to burdensome of workloads at the office. It is currently functioning with 1 forest beat officer and 1 master role employee who joined 4 months ago. To conserve forest and promote afforestation within the district of Karbi Anglong, Forest Department is actively putting on efforts and is also one of the strongest departments among the 30 departments functioning under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. It is the responsibility of the Forest Department to monitor, terminate illegal activities taking place within the jurisdiction of the forest regions. Likewise, at Tokolangso under Nilip constituency, the border region of Karbi Anglong and Golaghat district, the condition of the Murpholoni Forest Beat Account Office seems to be hygiene and slightly better when compared with its old self. Earlier, not only the office was employed with insufficient number of staffs, but there were many basic facilities which were missing. The employees were forced to drink water from nearby river Daegrum. But now, boundary walls had been constructed, ring well had been provided for drinking water. The only problem facing right now is the number of staff employed at the office. The beat officer of Murpholoni Forest Beat account appeals the concerned authority to increase the number of staff and also to provide 1 vehicle for patrolling purposes.
Nilito Murpholoni Sabit Masida ke staff ke nilitum bahani vet non bortoman ke samane pu inarabange masarur de bang sidak bit official se dobong se bahani vet lanan ke nilitum staff ave
Tula darna tum gidu kisung kuson lo nan tum da gidu thaka.
ke do ke thake nona ko bange misen na he thang ta kasik sa ka bela thang ta pakta no padidar bang ve nilitum no ta nilitum mason ridun de Lang no dunde masin nilitum da ke do non ko bahani vet ta misen na.
Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.